Hey Glam Stars, I'm Maddie and welcome to my channel. If you have not yet became an official Glam Star, all that you have to do is hit that subscribe button in order to become one, and let's get right into this video. I'm going to be talking about chia seeds. Now, I've mentioned chia seeds briefly here on my channel, but I've never talked about them in their full glory. So in today's video, I'm here to do just that. I'm here to share with you all some amazing benefits of chia seeds and what they can do for your body. So without further ado, let's get started. Chia seeds seem to be popping up everywhere, and that's for good reason. Chia seeds, which are native to Central America, have long been praised as a superfood. They can be made into pudding, blended into smoothies or oatmeal, and even baked into bread. Not only are they versatile, but they are full of many benefits. Now continue watching to find out why people are so obsessed with chia seeds. They are super high in antioxidants. Antioxidants basically make the impossible possible. They slow down aging signs, resulting in younger, more beautiful looking skin. They also help with getting healthier hair and can also help to reduce the risk of cancer. Basically, fountain of youth and miracle molecules. Whip yourself up a double dose of the good stuff, being chia seeds. Now, chia seeds also contain an impressive amount of fiber. Almost all the carbs in chia seeds are actually fiber. This means so many good things. The number one reason being you'll stay full for longer periods of time. They will also aid in keeping your gut health in check. Now, they are also rare sources of omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s are super important because they contain so many different types of benefits, from fighting depression to improving sleep to reducing the risk of heart disease. The bummer is there aren't many foods that supply omega-3. But good thing that we have chia seeds, which will definitely help us with getting that omega-3 that we need. Now, they also contain protein. For people who do not consume meat, finding foods with protein can be such a drag and also an exhausting adventure. Don't worry, chia seeds to the rescue. There's 4 grams of protein per 2 tablespoon servings. Now, if you need calcium, chia seeds also have that for you. Believe it or not, chia seeds have more calcium than most dairy products. If you don't consume dairy, chia seeds could be a lifesaver. If you do eat dairy, paired with yogurt for the good stuff. Chia seeds are among the healthiest foods on the planet. They are loaded with benefits that can have important nutrients for your body and also your brain. Now, here's some benefits of chia seeds that will help to get your body on fleek. Chia seeds are amongst the foods that can help you in your getting a bigger booty journey. Although most ladies pass right by chia seeds at the grocery store, they can work miracles for your booty. Therefore, next time you go grocery shopping, rush to the section that contains chia seeds. And or you could just use my Amazon link down below to get the exact ones that I'm talking about in today's video. Chia seeds are rich in proteins and healthy fats, all of which are ingredients that are necessary for muscle development. They are quite nutritious. Besides that, you can also consume these seeds in various ways. For instance, you can add them to your smoothies. You can also add them to organic juices, yogurts, different things that you like to consume on the day-to-day basis. However, Make sure that you are not overeating chia seeds, as they can result in stomach aches. Now, if you are looking to lose a few pounds, chia seeds can also be beneficial for that as well. 2 tablespoons of chia seeds contain almost 10 grams of fiber. A high fiber diet has been linked to weight loss, so they can also help you on your weight loss journey as well. And if you all would like to know how to use these seeds for weight loss, let me know down below, because I can definitely make a video about that for you all. Make sure that if you are going to consume chia seeds in order to get your booty bigger, that you are doing a fantastic workout routine along with that. That is something that I want to reiterate in this video, because oftentimes when I make these videos I forget to mention that a workout routine will be beneficial to you seeing results. And I'm going to share with you all a quick little snack that I like to consume with my chia seeds, and then I'm going to come back with the rest of my commentary. So on days where I really don't feel like making much, I like to keep my ingredients simple. So all I'm using is the Dannon Light Plus Fit Vanilla Yogurt, and all that you need after that is your organic chia seeds. And voila, it's super duper simple, and all that you do after that is mix those chia seeds in. Now, if you'd like for the chia seeds to become a little bit bigger and more fluffy, you can put this yogurt and chia seed mixture in the refrigerator overnight, and you will have yourself some delicious yogurt with chia seeds. You guys, I absolutely love the way that this stuff tastes. It is amazing. You should definitely try it out, and let me know down below if you will be trying it out or not. And that is all that I have to share with you all about the amazing benefits of chia seeds. I hope that you learned something new from this video, and if you did, please don't hesitate to hit that like button and also that subscribe button. And before I leave this video, I'm not gonna leave you all hanging. Let me share with you all my glam star of the day. I want to thank you so much for your lovely comment, and thank you for watching and supporting me. It is always greatly appreciated. And if you are looking to be featured in my next video, all that you have to do is leave a comment down below. Make sure that your post notifications are turned on, because when you're first to comment, that boosts your chances of being featured in my next video. And that is it for this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you don't have anything else to comment down below, please comment what you are, and that is a star. Always remember to keep glamming, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.
Still a million miles from you.